In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook dating profile. If you have found someone special or just want a break from swiping, removing your profile is quite simple, but it is important to know that doing this permanently wipes out all of your internal app data, like your likes and preferences. To get started, first open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. Once on the home page, click on your profile on the top right. Then click the three lines on the left side, and from there, go ahead and click on Dating. Next, click on the three dots at the top right, and then click on Settings. From there, tap Delete Profile, and then click Delete Profile again to confirm you want to proceed. You will then be asked to select why you're deleting Facebook dating, so just choose one of the reasons or simply hit skip. You will also be asked if you want to save your profile in case you rejoin later, and once you make your choice, confirm the deletion. An interesting fact about this process is that while deleting your dating profile permanently erases your personal answers, likes, and active matches from your end, your existing matches will still be able to see their past conversation history with you in their own archived chats. Additionally, Facebook enforces a mandatory 7-day waiting period before the system will allow you to create a completely fresh dating profile. And that's it. That's how you delete your Facebook dating profile.